Hi my friends, it's Ian again. It doesn't seem 5 minutes since I last created a new tool and did a training video. But yet again today, well actually it's taken me around about 24 hours to do this one because it's important. Now you know that traffic is the lifeblood of any affiliate marketer. And sometimes we can get a bit lost. And some members, they mail me saying, well, what do I do now? What are the daily tasks that I need to do? So what I've done is created your own personal coach. So it remembers what you've done and what you haven't done. And what I've done here, now because we've put the intro video just into here, we don't need the button that was there, which was the intro button. So when you click that, it opened this video up in a new window in YouTube. So that button become redundant, and I've got OCD. I like things to look balanced. So we've got the new traffic coach. So what can the new traffic coach do? Well, it works in conjunction with AI Jane. Now, some people do not like AI Jane, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to tell you something now. Since Martin died, he is and was our best programmer. He made a lot of these tools. Now, he died, and it costs a fortune to hire somebody to build tools and to alter pages and things like that. So I've had to learn to do it myself. And then came along AI. AI is a fantastic tool. Now, Jane has been programmed to work just for Buildabizonline. After all, you can promote anything that you want using your 20 page just here. You get a page, a special page. In fact, let me just show you mine. I'll just go over here. Okay, so this is my home page. And again, AI created these pictures and created the script for the video. And this is my ads. So if I click on there, I've got 6 ads on there. Now, these are the only programs that I belong to other than a list of traffic programs. And so we've come full circle, because that's what I said. Traffic is the lifeblood of any affiliate marketer. So what can this traffic coach do for you? Now, if I click on here, you will see that this is the personal coach for Buildabizonline member Buildabiz. That is my username. Yours will have your username, and it will remember what we've done and how far we've got. Okay, now then, what I want you to do first of all, I want you to fill in this here. I want you to put down what membership level you're at, and then I want you to put your niche. I'm here to make money online. My goal today is to build a list, and the traffic sources that I'm going to use today is traffic exchanges. Okay, now once I've done that, I can click generate today's action plan. So for each step that it generates, it gives you or me prompts. Now, prompts are triggers or keywords that AI uses to make things, to build things. Okay, so if I click on here, we can have a look what today's is. And one is here, look, for, say, Facebook, it'll tell you today, this is a short post. And Facebook, Instagram and things like that, they like short posts. So what you need to do is to copy this prompt, and these are the prompts in here, and it gives AI Jane something to work on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this. Okay, and it's done that, so I can close that down. I will remove that, I think, because it is quite annoying. Now what I'm going to do is turn my volume right down, because Jane will start and read back what I'm putting in there. There's AI Jane. Nothing to be frightened of. She has only been programmed to work with Buildabizonline members. So what I do is right click and paste those prompts in there. And then I click send. And what she'll do is work out from these prompts a short an ad promotional message that we can post today, and I can post that in Facebook or something like that, and I can put a link in it as well. So I'd simply copy this and copy it, and then go over to Facebook or whatever it is, Instagram or X is another one, and post it in there. And if it allows affiliate marketing links, then I should put that in there. Some do, some don't. Okay, so I can close that down now because I've done with that one. Now the next one, this could be reply to a message. So if somebody has contacted me today, then I can make a decent, by clicking on there, we've collected all those prompts, and now I can paste it into there, and it will produce a short message. Okay, so once she's done it, then there it is. Okay, so there is a message that I can use to post to somebody. Now another one, this is a great thing, a 10-minute sprint. So copy into Jane to get a quick 10-minute checklist of what you can be doing for your business today. So we copy there, done that, go over to Jane, and we can paste that into there, and then give her a few seconds to think about it. Then it will give me a list of things to do today. So select a capture page, customize your capture page, set up an autoresponder, drive traffic to it, track and monitor it by using the tools that we've got available to us at Buildabizonline. We've got a fantastic tracker that AI has helped to get better results. So there we have it. So this is your personal traffic coach that you can use, that you can log into on a daily basis. You can change these anytime you wish, and you'll get a different set of prompts, and then use them. Okay, what I should do in here as well, I think what I'll do is create a tick, because I've done that one. We should know, but I think it's a good idea to see a tick. Okay, so I'll do that sometime. But this video is here for you to come back on time and time again. And thanks for listening. And if you like this video, if you like this tool, please comment. I always like to hear your comments. A lot of people tend to mail me and say, fantastic new tool, and thank you very much. But I would like a few more comments on YouTube as well. It doesn't bite. It doesn't bite us. So there we have it. This is your brand new traffic coach. So bye for now, and thanks for listening.